Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start with to ID and access. Open GTM and create or select the container. Paste the GTM snippet into your site header, now so tags can fire. Once done, in GTM go to Tags New and choose Google Analytics, GA4 configuration. Enter your GA4 measurement ID so data points route correctly. Make sure to name this tag clearly and set it to trigger on all pages. This ensures the base analytics library loads before any event tags run. Now you map events and variables. Create specific event tags in GTM for clicks, form submissions, or purchases, and link them to the GA4 configuration tag so they inherit config. Use built-in variables or define custom variables, data layer or DOM, for parameters like product ID or value. This is how GA understands context. Once your triggers are precise, preview in GTM to validate events fire. Make sure to test with the data layer and event parameters visible in debug mode to confirm payload accuracy. You finish by validating and publishing. Enter GTM preview and visit your site. Watch the debug console for fired tags, then check GA real-time to confirm events arrive. Once validated, submit and publish the GTM container so changes go live. If data doesn't appear, first confirm the GTM snippet is on every page and measurement ID is correct, then recheck triggers and data layer variable names. If issues persist, use the browser console for JS errors and temporarily disable ad blockers that may block analytics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.